Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting and sometimes mysterious world of trading. What is trading? How does it work? And why should you care about it? By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of trading, whether you're planning to invest in stocks, currencies, or commodities. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is trading? At its core, trading is the process of buying and selling financial assets like stocks, bonds, currencies, or commodities. Traders aim to profit from the price fluctuations of these assets. Think of it like a marketplace where people exchange goods, but in this case, it's all about numbers and charts. In the stock market, for instance, when you buy shares of a company, you're purchasing a small piece of that company. If the company's value increases, so does your investment. Until you sell, of course. There are various types of trading to consider. Let's break them down. Day trading. Day trading is a fast-paced trading strategy where traders buy and sell financial assets, such as stocks, within the same day, aiming to profit from small price fluctuations. Traders often execute multiple trades each day, closing all positions before the market closes to avoid overnight risks. This approach relies heavily on technical analysis and real-time data to make quick decisions, requiring intense focus and quick reflexes. Successful day traders implement strict risk management practices to minimize losses, as the potential for substantial profits and losses is high in this dynamic environment. Overall, day trading offers opportunities for profit but demands a strong understanding of market movements and disciplined execution. Swing trading is a trading strategy that involves holding financial assets for several days or weeks to capitalize on expected price movements, or swings. Unlike day trading, which focuses on short-term fluctuations, swing traders look for medium-term trends and patterns in the market. They typically use technical analysis to identify entry and exit points, aiming to buy assets at a low price and sell them at a higher price once the price has increased. This strategy allows traders to take advantage of price swings without the constant monitoring required in day trading, making it more suitable for those who cannot dedicate all day to trading. Risk management is essential, as swing traders often set stop-loss orders to protect their investments from sudden market reversals. Overall, swing trading strikes a balance between short and long-term trading, offering opportunities for profit while allowing for a more flexible trading approach. Long-term investing is a strategy focused on purchasing financial assets, such as stocks or bonds, and holding them for an extended period, often years or even decades, to achieve significant capital appreciation. Unlike day or swing traders, long-term investors prioritize a company's fundamentals, such as its earnings, growth potential, and overall market trends, rather than short-term price fluctuations. This approach aims to benefit from the compounding of returns over time, as well as the natural growth of the investment. By buying and holding, long-term investors can ride out market volatility, minimizing the impact of temporary downturns. Additionally, this strategy often includes reinvesting dividends to further boost returns. Long-term investing typically requires less active management and allows investors to benefit from the overall growth of the market, making it a popular choice for retirement savings and wealth building. Ultimately, successful long-term investing involves patience, research, and a disciplined approach to portfolio management. Now let's talk about how trading actually works. When you decide to buy or sell an asset, you place an order through a broker. There are several types of orders. Market orders. Buy or sell instantly at the current market price. This is quick and straightforward. Limit orders. Buy or sell only at a specified price. This gives you control over your trade, but can result in missed opportunities if the price doesn't reach your desired level. Stop orders. Automate your trading by selling an asset once it reaches a certain price to prevent further losses. Now let's get real about trading. It's not all rainbows and profits. With great opportunities come great risks. Understanding these can make all the difference. Volatility. Markets can be unpredictable. Prices can spike or plummet rapidly, which means a potential for profit or heavy losses. Leverage. Some traders use borrowed funds to increase their potential profits. While this can amplify gains, it also magnifies losses. So, know your limits. Emotional factors. Trading can be stressful. Fear and greed often lead to poor decision-making. It's crucial to have a trading plan and stick to it, regardless of market emotions. So how do you get started? Here's a quick checklist. Educate yourself. Read books, watch tutorials, and follow market news. Understanding the basics is key. Choose a broker. Find a reliable trading platform. Look for user-friendly interfaces, educational resources, and low fees. Start small. Begin with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Once you're comfortable, trade with a small amount to minimize risk. Create a trading plan. Decide your goals, risk tolerance, and chosen assets. A solid plan helps you stay disciplined, stay informed, keep up with market trends and economics. These will influence the assets you trade. And there you have it, a foundational understanding of what trading is all about. It's a world full of opportunity, risk, and excitement. Remember, whether you choose to take the leap or just stay informed, knowledge is your greatest asset. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you next time.